For this video, I am going to teach you how to find your hidden photos on your iPhone if you have downloaded iOS 18. So if you don't know yet, or if you have noticed, once you have downloaded iOS 18, the photos might look different, or the interface might look different, and the folders are basically placed in different areas in your Photos app. So I'm going to teach you how you can find your hidden photos. So tap into your Photos app, and then once you are in the main section, or the home screen, or not home screen, the main interface of the Photos app, what you need to do is to simply scroll down until you see the different folders you have in there. So under the utilities section, you should have the hidden folder, or your hidden photos folder. So once you have tap onto it, registered your Face ID, then you should be able to see and find your hidden photos. So that's basically it. That is all for this video, and I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.